Replacing a center segment of black iron pipe in a propane gas line can be tricky since you can't just unscrew it without messing up the other end. So, here's what you want to do. First, shut off the propane supply completely and make sure there's no pressure left in the line. Safety first, right? Next, mark the section you want to replace and cut through the pipe carefully using a pipe cutter or a reciprocating saw. After cutting, you'll be able to unscrew each end separately because now the pipe is in two pieces. To reconnect everything, grab a union fitting. It's like a special connector that lets you screw both sides independently and then join them snugly. You'll also need some threaded nipples cut to the right length to connect your new pipe segment between the union and existing pipes. Make sure to wrap all threads with propane-rated pipe thread sealant or Teflon tape made for gas lines to avoid leaks. When everything's assembled, tighten each connection firmly, but don't go crazy or you might damage the threads. Finally, test for leaks with soapy water before turning the propane back on. You want to see no bubbles at all. One of the biggest issues when replacing black iron pipe in propane lines is trying to unscrew a middle section without cutting. It just won't work because one side tightens while the other loosens, making it impossible. The fix? Cut the pipe first, like I said, then work on each end separately with a union fitting. Another common mistake is skipping the union and trying to screw in a new pipe piece directly. It's a pain and often leads to leaks or stripped threads. Always use a union, it makes your life way easier. Lastly, not using proper thread sealant designed for gas lines is a huge no-no because ordinary tape won't hold up under propane pressure. Use only approved sealants to keep things safe. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome if you're looking for trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and can handle jobs like this safely. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you find work by connecting you with homeowners ready to get projects done.